Hello friends, healthy food that provides nutrition to our body could actually result in damaging our health if taken in improper way. Food which is wrong in combination, which has undergone wrong processing, which is consumed in incorrect dose, incorrect time of a day and in a wrong season leads to Viruddhahara, which in modern science is considered as food intolerance or food incompatibility. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to enhance your knowledge on Ayurveda and follow easy and healthy lifestyle. Let's talk about some commonly consumed wrong combination of food. Milk and milk products. Combination of banana and milk has long been seen in chilled milkshakes. It may pose various health risks like skin diseases. Milk which contains lactogen and certain fruits which also contain common allergen may aggravate an asthmatic attack. Milk with eggs and reheated cow's milk can lead to immunologic disorders. Milk and fish combination is also considered as Viruddhahara. Both fish and milk have sweet taste, but due to contradiction in their potency or virya, fish is hot and milk is cold. They vitiate the blood and obstruct the channels of the circulation. Fish with milk is wrong to take. That doesn't mean that milk products like paneer is not advised with fish. This rule only applies to milk. Milk doesn't go well with jaggery, onion, curd, sour fruits, radish, tulsi, honey, horse gram, spinach and salt. Curd or yogurt. Yogurt doesn't go well with fruits, fish, hot drinks, eggs, milk, meat and cheese. Consuming curd at night is considered as Krama Viruddha in Ayurveda. It has been regularly observed in the clinics that rheumatoid arthritis patients who consume curd or sour food at night complain of increased morning stiffness. Ghee. Ghee should not be consumed if kept for more than 10 days in a bronze vessel. Honey. These days, adding honey to a hot milk or water or green tea is very common. Adding honey to anything hot can be dangerous for you. It is considered as lethal combination. The temperature increase allowed for honey is much lower than your glass of a hot milk or a water. The properties of honey change and turn toxic. Honey and ghee should not be consumed in equal quantity by weight, as it is considered as Matra Viruddha. Most of the honey that is available in the market is strongly heated before packaging, which is considered as Sanskara Viruddha. Potato or tomato doesn't go well with cucumber, melons and dairy products. For example, salad made of cucumber and tomato is considered as Viruddhahara. Tomatoes and cucumbers have different digestion time and mixing them can cause acid formation and bloating. Cucumber also contains a substance that destroys vitamin C in tomatoes. So it is more beneficial to use cucumbers without any additions. Deep frying of potatoes can develop toxic substances such as acrylamide, which can prove to be a carcinogenic. Eating potato chips regularly is Sanskara Viruddha. Finally, let's talk about bad foods as per modern time. During the past 50 years, amount of artificial coloring agents or synthetic dye used in food has increased by 500%. Simultaneously, an alarming rise has occurred in behavior problems in children such as aggression, ADD, attention deficit disorder and ADHD, which is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. When hot products are placed in the containers, cancer-causing chemicals from the box can leach into the food and in turn our bodies. If you care about what you eat, you should care about what it comes in. The use of newspapers for wrapping and packing of food items is a common practice by street vendors. FSSAI says that consumption of food wrapped in newspaper is injurious to health. In modern era, wherein we are confused so as to what to eat, what not to, we are constantly becoming victims of foodborne disorders. Ayurveda gives us concept of food and dietetics which could be followed even today. Also watch Ahara Vidhi available on this channel to know Ayurvedic diet rules. Thank you for watching.